Welcome to the world of creativity and digital skills. Today, we embark on a journey of learning with some amazing students who have unlocked their potential through this powerful tool. Let's dive into the world of digital design with Sheher Banu.
Illustrator, I can turn my imagination into reality. It's the perfect tool for artists and designers. Let me show you how to design a Funland logo. First of all, make a slide for fun, and then type Funland. Apply stunning effect on text. Make an elliptical circle around it. Increase the drop. Choose fascinating color. Design some stars. And here it is ready.
Photoshop allows me to turn ordinary pictures into extraordinary works of art. The possibilities are endless. Now see, I have printed this picture on this table using vanishing point. I have changed background from this to this. I have used blending option to take my tool behind the clouds. You can do with your picture as you want. It is wonderful.
Meanwhile, Nimra is mastering the art of visual communication with MS Word.
Watch how I create a beautiful resume using MS Word. The formatting and design options are endless. I have used the built-in design to resume and changing it according to my requirement. It is really amazing and time-saving tool.
Collaboration is key in this digital era. These students are crafting and captivating PowerPoint presentation together.
Let me show you how we design an eye-catching presentation using PowerPoint. It's all about engaging the audience. This is the presentation that we have made on Soundwaves.
has found his analytical edge with Excel, turning data into insights.
Here I use Excel to organize and visualize the data. It makes complex information easy to understand. This is mark sheet of class. I will apply formula on it to sum. Then I visualize the data through by using conditional formatting. By using conditional formatting, you can immediately visualize the whole document.
I have boosted up my typing speed by doing practice on Typing Tutor. It helps me to type data in any field confidently and finally.
Let's hear from the students themselves. What have they learned on this incredible journey?
It's empowering to create something from scratch and see it come to life on screen.
I never thought I could design stunning graphics until I learned Adobe Illustrator. It opened up a whole new world of possibilities for me.
This digital skill have opened a world of opportunities for me.
PowerPoint helped me present my ideas from school projects to business pitches. It's been a game changer.
Excel was just numbers for me, but now I use it to analyze data and make informed decisions. It's a valuable skill for any profession. Adobe Illustrator is my virtual campus. With each stroke, I can create arts that tells a story. I have gained confidence in using technology and cannot wait to explain more.
Balancing my studies and taking this course was initially a challenge, but I knew it was a decision I would not regret. By careful managing my times and make small adjustments to my duty routine, I found the perfect balance. This course has expanded to my skills beyond my academic curriculum. I am excited to see where this journey takes me.
And so, their journey of learning continues. Remember, creativity knows no bounds, and these students are proof the world is their canvas.